went to record the intro and realised that my washing machine is on. Oh no. Okay, that noise is annoying, so I'm gonna move. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everybody. I have some beginner-friendly, easy sew projects that should take you less than an hour, probably less than half an hour if you are a pro. But these are scrap fabric friendly. Hands up who has balls of fabric creased, stuffed into a bag, and they're like, I don't want to throw that out, but I can make something with that. I'm gonna pop timestamps below, and I've tried to put all of the measurements on screen as well, but I'll pop them in the description for you also. project that I want to share with you was something that I made for Cricket at Christmas time. So I made that video for their social media channels, and it's a tote bag from a dress, and I never shared it and I don't want the project to go to waste, so I'm gonna pop it in. It is in portrait format, so it's a bit harder to kind of see, but I wanted to just share it with you. It's only a minute long, and it's where I turned the dress into a tote bag. And it might be a more advanced beginner project, but a tote bag is a fun thing to kind of make from like recycled fabric, or if you're a beginner and you're like, I want to try something a little bit harder, try the tote bag. So I'm going to pop it in here next, and apologies for it being portrait and not landscape. Motivated to dust the cobwebs off the sewing machine. I hadn't stitched in ages. I think it was like before Christmas, so it was nice to kind of just sit and sew. But I do have more sewing projects, so I have a video and I'm going to pop a card in here, and that video, I think there's 10 sewing projects, and again, beginner friendly. You can do them in under an hour. Scrap fabric friendly, but I think take the idea and make them your own. If you want to add bits of fabric, if you want to like do patchwork or something, you could totally like experiment and just take the measurements and just tweak them, take the idea and make it your own. Also, if you are an absolute beginner but you want to get started and you're like, I don't even know how to thread my machine, I have an online beginner sewing course that is geared towards beginners who, if you don't know how to thread your machine, it will take you through all of the basics, because if you can master the basics, then you can go on and tackle more advanced projects. I'm gonna pop a link with more info on my sewing course in the description. Also, YouTube members get a massive discount on the sewing course, so if you want to find out more info, if you hit the join button underneath, I think me, it'll give you more information on what you get with a channel membership. So I upload my weekly videos earlier for members, and mid-roll ads are removed, so you can watch it with a cup of tea with no pesky mid-roll ads. There's also a discount for the sewing course as well. So that's us for this week. How are you, blondies? Is there anything you would like to say to your adoring audience? We all know people only stop by for Queen Bee. That's me for this week. If you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button. I'll pop a link to my sewing playlist as well over here, and I'll see you in next week's video. Have you good kisses?